In this video, you can learn 100 regular verbs, so please like, share and subscribe.
Regular verbs list. Accept, blind, detect, flow, join, mourn, press, roll, add, bow, develop, fool, joke, move, pretend, sack, tug, admire, box, disarm, force, jump, name, present, scare, trust, admit, bruise, discover, fry, kick, need, press, sign, try, advise, bump, drain, gather, kill, nod, protect, signal, turn, afford, bury, dream, gaze, kiss, note, pull, sin, type, agree, calculate, drip, grab, knit, notice, push, soothe, vanish, alert, call, dry, grin, not, number, question, sound, wail, allow, cause, earn, guide, label, obey, race, spark, amuse, challenge, empty, hammer, last, occur, rain, spill, want, announce, change, end, hand, laugh, offer, reach, spoil, wash, annoy, chew, enjoy, happen, learn, open, realize, stop, waste, answer, clap, escape, harm, lie, order, record, stuff, water, argue, clip, examine, hover, like, overflow, refuse, suffer, arrive, collect, excite, hug, load, owe, reject, suggest, ask, back, bake, ban, beg, concern, exist, hunt, love, paint, relax, suspect, attach, copy, expect, identify, man, part, remain, talk, wink, attend, cure, explain, impress, manage, pass, remind, tap, avoid, cycle, face, include, mate, paste, remove, terrify, wrap, damage, fasten, intend, matter, phone, report, thank, yawn, delay, fence, invite, melt, place, retire, trace, yell, delight, file, itch, mix, play, return, train, zip, trouble, wander, wait, whine, whisper, wonder, deliver, flood, jail, mug, Polish, risk, trap, zoom,